Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in, y'all. Currently in another trade on USD JPY. I called it swinging back up. So right now I'm on the final trade for tonight. Got 5 minutes left. I did a buy at 110.68. Full contract at $72. Right now the market's up 110.80. So right now we're looking really good. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at the chart and see how it looks on the chart. Boom. Oh yeah, we're powering up right here. Entry right here. Strike price right here. Market. We're looking good in the last 5 minutes. So give me just a moment. I'll be back with you in about 3 or 4 minutes. Oh yeah. Market on skyrocket, yo. It's up to 85. Check this out. Bow. What you see there, man? Oh, what a heck of a trade there, man. Bow. Under a minute, yo. This account, I'm gonna make over 200 today. This is gonna close me out for the rest of trading for the rest of the day. No more trading. Sorry about the background noise. Gotta watch some television. Television must be watched. Old school action movies. Alright, we're finna see. Close on out, see where we stand, and be gone. Alright, y'all. I'll see that. That's the account value going to 1252 from 977. Let's see what we made on the day. On today, to be exact. Let's go and punch this in 120, to the 2, hit the 250, minus 9, 77, 50. Made 275 today, which is good. So, awesome. I'll let you get checking out, y'all.